Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am Amanda, and for today's video we are going to check out Walmart. Walmart is one of my favorite stores ever. I really enjoy shopping there. I really enjoy vlogging there, showing you guys all of the cute things I get all the time. But today we are going to hop over to Walmart and check out all of the trending, I don't know if trending is the right word, but like all the things right now they have like on sale for like gift ideas, like kind of like a last minute gift ideas. They have a lot of like boxed things that you guys can just grab and go. It's kind of thoughtless. You can just go there. There's like an entire aisle where you can just walk up and down and like get all the cute things. So I'm really excited to get into this video. I think it's going to be a really great one. Also, I'm really excited to check out the pajamas because I have been like obsessed with their pajamas lately ever since the last ones that I got from my last Walmart video, which I will link it right up here so you guys can watch that if you have not yet. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Also, follow me on Instagram where I post daily fashion inspiration and also where I kind of give like little hints to like what videos I'm going to be posting next. So definitely follow me on that as well. In this video, I'll also be doing my best to link some like gift sets down below. Whatever I can find online, I will do my best to link it. Sometimes it's kind of harder to find certain things on Walmart since I didn't purchase anything today. Other than, oh, I did get something. The cutest tennies. How cute are these? They had them in a 6 and I didn't even try them on because I love them so much. I'm normally anywhere from like a 6 to a 6.5, sometimes a 7 if it's like a pointed toe shoe. But I had to get these. They're they are the Time and True brand and they have the memory foam in them. So I know they're going to be so comfortable. And I actually don't have any like white sneakers like that lace up. I did get a really nice pair from Walmart. They were like $5. They're like the slip-on ones, which I am obsessed with. I wear them everywhere. But they're not lace up. So I want a pair of these and I love this like detail. I don't know if you guys can like tell, but it's like some like sparkly gold and then leopard and then like a black strip between it. These are, in my mind, total like designer knockoffs. So I'm super excited to try these on. I really hope they fit because I do not want to return them. They do have some like scuffs on them, but I can get that off easily. But they were the last pair, so I had to grab these. How much were they? These were $16 and I will link them down below for you guys if you decide that you need some too. I think they're extremely affordable and the fact that they have memory foam is just another plus. Yeah, let's just jump on into the video. I keep talking away. Let's just get into it and I cannot wait to show you guys all of the really cool things that Walmart has currently to offer for Christmas. Now for real this time, let's hop into the video. We have arrived at Walmart and we are gonna do some Walmart shopping and gonna see what Walmart has to offer. They have like really cool like gift ideas for kids and stuff. That's actually really cool. You see that? It's like punching things. And they have like basketball stuff.
Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time.
That's really cool. Just like fun little game ideas. I think the darts is kind of fun. Oh, that's cool for like soccer parents for reins. How much is that? This would be a good gift for like a soccer mom. I don't know how much that is.
Far away, we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't.
Oh, I think candles are really good gift ideas too. These are pretty inexpensive for key candles. They have just so many different scents. That's very sharp. That's kind of cool. And margarita mixes. We should make cute. Those are really cute. I actually really like that. And then if you have somebody that likes beers, you can do
on a
that.
special night. Every child awake for at Christmas.
All these things are actually really good priced.
There is magic.
Do you want to do one of these though? So those are $19 and then we can find like a $5 gift. We also have these which are a really big hit on a lot of sites right now. I don't know how much they are though. They don't have the prices, so I can't tell you, but they also have
It's a
these little
time
coffee
for
mugs.
joy.
They're actually really nice.
Time for peace. Let's
this is something that I would like more because it has a straw in it.
Let us say a prayer at this Christmas
These are super. Oh, I love that. I like that a lot. I like this one a lot too. How it's kind of like a matte. That looks nice and warm too. I think they're supposed to be like athletic workout gear, but I like it for like for these. These? Yeah. Pack of 2 leggings, that's kind of nice. Some sports bras. These would be a good idea. I like these.
Let us gather round for it's Christmas time.
Those are super cute. These are in the like active wear area. I like this.
And the stars
Super
align.
cute. Now I want to do a clothing haul. They actually have some stuff.
And our hope again made new.
Oh, and those.
In the crowded streets.
These look like designer like knockoffs. This looks like something
the ones we meet
so cute. Bathrobe. Should we look at pajamas really fast?
And from far away we hear
all of the
bells
different
that chime,
bathrobes.
stating Santa won't
Love their pajamas.
And deep
Fun
in our
pajama
hearts we will carry a
And these are only
song
$7, so that's nice. It gives her like the
through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake for at
Is he doing
Christmas
nothing?
time.
Yes.
There is magic in
That's
the
so
air.
Oh. Look. Is it cute? Oh, and it's a blinking sweater. That's so cool. For Frozen. So cute.
It's a time for joy.
This is actually really soft. I kind of like this one.
For peace. Let's give a voice to the ones in need. Let us say a prayer at this Christmas time. Bring the
think they have
best
any new
of all
ones.
in us.
I love white guy flannels so much. This
In our
one.
hearts, we will carry.
And they're only $8 and they're so warm and comfortable. Sweaters and stuff.
Through the ages.
Oh, all the things.
From angels.
This is an entire aisle of like gift ideas. Scarves. I was hoping I'd. Huh?
Let us
Yeah, I think we are
gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars align. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again
Oh,
made.
these are really cute.
In the crowded streets calling Christmas time, the ones we meet wear their warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't
So
be
gorgeous.
late.
I like the nicer.
And deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from
They also have Apple Watch
angels
straps here, which I had no idea they had.
in the falling snow. All the Christmas lights bring a special
nice.
glow on
I
a
like this
special night. Every child awake for at Christmas time. There is magic in the air.
Super cute earrings. Look at all the pretty watches. Ooh, that one's
It's a time for joy.
guys have
It's
some
a
for
time
guys,
for
too,
peace.
which is a
Let's
really good
give
idea.
a voice to the ones in need.
So many.
Let us say a prayer at this Christmas time. Bring the best
that one
of
too.
all in us.
That's cool. They have like package little gifts in the corner.
In our hearts
love that. The one where it has like those three.
Gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars align. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made new.
Oh, I love these.
In the crowded streets, calling Christmas time. The ones we meet wear the warmest smile. And from far away, we hear bells that chime.
I think that I need this.
Stating Santa won't
it's only $14.
And deep
that's super
in our
cute. Like a blush pink color.
we will carry
And this is so
a song
good for holiday parties. I love
heard
that.
through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow.
Are these just like shirts? Oh, they're
special
turtlenecks.
night, every child awake for at Christmas time.
Wait, babe, will you take a picture of me holding up one of these sweaters? And they also have, these feel really nice actually. And so I have some black ones. Okay. We're good. Oh. Let's have some hand lotion.
It's a time for joy. It's a time for
That'd be a good idea for a
Let's
guy.
give a voice
Same with that.
to
Thank you guys
the
so much for watching this video. If you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe for more videos that are similar to this. And definitely more Walmart videos because Walmart is my favorite store. I absolutely love Walmart. Oh, this shirt is Walmart. Like, that's how much I love it. I'm always wearing their stuff. But yes, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.